Good morning everyone. My name is Sukhpreet Kaur. I am the group leader. Our topic for the project is students marks prediction. My task is to schedule and allocate tasks among the team member and ensure that they are completed on time. I act as point of contact between team and the teacher and help in resolving various issues.
Hello everyone, myself Sukhjot Kaur. I am the data expert. My basic task is to collect the data that is used to train the AI model, and I also ensure that the data is in the perfect format that team can work with. I also help in logging some.
My name is Simranjeet Kaur. I am the information researcher of the project. I collect the question from the various sources and help to find the suitable answer for the questions, and I pass the information to the project leader.
My name is Raj Yusuf. I am video producer. My task is to film the activities of the team and edit and make the presentation of this project.
Hello, my name is Harshpreet. I am marketing communication leader of my project. My role is to create the content for the video pitch.
First, I have imported all the necessary Python libraries and dataset. The dataset I am using for this marks predictor is imported from Kaggle. Then I have checked only null values from the data. The data is ready to use as there is no null values. Then I have checked for scatter plot to see whether the number of hours affect student mark values. According to the diagram visualization, we can see that number of hours may affect the marks of a student. Now let's move on to the task of training the machine learning algorithm operating the marks of a student. Here I will start by splitting the data into training and test datasets. Now I will train a machine learning model with linear regression algorithm. Now let's test the performance of this machine learning model by giving inputs based on the features that has been used to train the model and predict the marks of the student. So this is how you can predict the marks of the students with machine learning using Python, and this is how the model works. Thank you.